Good morning, student. I am Gopi Kumar Srivastav from ISSMD, and this is my third video according to multiple choice questions. In this video, we discuss question number 40. Out of the following item, which is shown in the receipt and payment account of the following not for profit organization? So the option is outstanding rent, the accrued subscription, the excess of income over expenditure, none of these. So the question is about which is shown in the receipt and payment account. So these three options are not shown in the receipt and payment account because these three items are related to the balance sheet and the income expenditure account. So it never shown in the receipt and payment account because receipt and payment account always record the cash transaction of the not for profit organization, but the outstanding rent it means that the rent is due, and the accurate in subscription also means that a subscription is due. So income expenditure account is always shown in the income expenditure account, and the outstanding rate is shown in the balance sheet, and the accurate subscription also shown in the balance sheet. So there is no option related to the receipt and payment account. So option number D is the right answer. Out of the following which item is not recorded in the income expenditure account? इनमें से कौन सा income expenditure account में हम लोग नहीं दिखाते हैं? So the option is the sales of gross. It is also shown in the income expenditure account of the credit side of income expenditure account, and the local rent is also shown in the credit side of income expenditure account, and the interest received is also shown in the income expenditure account. These three are shown in the income expenditure account. So the last option is the right option because interest received on the price fund investment is always added to the price fund. So it is not shown in the income expenditure account. So the right answer is D. Which of the following is not for profit organization? So the option is sport club, school, hospital. So the question is है कि नॉट फॉर प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कौन है? तो हॉस्पिटल है. तो इनमें से कौन सा होना चाहिए नॉट फॉर प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन? तो आपको मैं बता दूं all are not for profit organization. Sport club, school, hospital, these are all known as not for profit organization because the school also provides service, school also welfare the society, and the hospital also earn and also help the society. So the school has the profit motive and the social motive both, and the hospital also a profit motive and social motive both, and the sport club also has social motive and the welfare motive both. So these three are not for profit organization, not a profit organization. So all of this is the right answer. Excess of match fund over match expenses will be shown. Excess of match fund means that the liability is more and the expense is less. It means that it will also always show on the liability side of the balance sheet. So the right option is C. C is the right answer because the match fund is a liability and liability is excess. Excess means it is always shown in the liability side of the balance sheet. The next question is which of the following is not a capital receipt? Donation for the tournament, donation for building, life membership fees, and the entrance fees. These three are the capital receipt because these three are related to the non-recurring income of the not-for-profit organization. But entrance fees and entry fees is always given by the member to the not-for-profit organization for the entry and the admission in the not-for-profit organization. So it is a recurring nature. So the option number D is the right answer. It is not a capital receipt. Which of the following is a capital receipt? Subscription, sales of used sport material, endowment fund या entrance fees. So इसमें से कौन सा हमारा जो है वो capital receipt है? So option number C is the right answer because endowment fund. All fund always a capital fund receipt because these fund are related to the non-recurring nature. Always remember that all fund are capital receipt and always capital receipt are shown on the balance sheet of the liability side. Which of the following statement is not true for the receipt and payment account? इनमें से कौन सा जो statement है वो true नहीं है receipt and payment को लेकर? So it is a summary of cash book. बिल्कुल this is right. It record the receipt and payment account of the revenue nature only. This is wrong. In the receipt and payment account we record both revenue receipt and the capital receipt, both nature of the receipt and both nature of the expenditure. So the answer number B, option B is the wrong answer because it question option is so that wanted to tell that they only show the revenue nature. No, receipt and payment account so both the nature, capital receipt or capital nature, revenue nature, both. So the next question is income expenditure account record income receipt and payment account of revenue and capital nature both. Income expenditure account revenue nature only, expenditure of capital nature only, receipt of revenue nature only. So the answer number B is the right answer because income expenditure always show revenue nature. Revenue nature means revenue expenditure and the revenue receipt, that is recurring nature of expenditure, recurring nature of income shown by income expenditure account. Income expenditure account never show the capital nature because there are two types of nature only, revenue nature and the capital nature. Revenue nature is divided into the revenue receipt, revenue expenditure, and the capital nature is divided into the revenue capital receipt and the capital expenditure. So the revenue expenditure, revenue receipt, revenue nature is always shown in the income expenditure account only. So the next question is which of the following statement is not true for the income expenditure account? इनमें से कौन सा income expenditure account के लिए true नहीं है? So the answer option is it record in item of the revenue nature only, item recorded in the it related to the only the current period, depreciation is not recorded in this account. Always remember that depreciation is not recorded in this account. This is wrong because depreciation is always shown in the income expenditure account. We will also show in the expenditure side of income expenditure account depreciation account. So the question and the option is written that it is not shown, but it is shown in the income expenditure account. So this is the wrong. Sale of all newspaper rupees 2000 will be recorded in the credit side of income account. Always remember that if we sell something, that it means that we earn something. And everything which we earn, it will be shown in the credit side of income account because it is revenue nature and it is also an income. So the next question is the basis of the preparing receipt and payment account for a not-for-profit organization is cash basis, accrual basis, both cash and accrual basis, or none of this. Always remember that our receipt and payment account is always made on the case basis only because it record cash transaction only. It never include the accrual basis. Accrual basis means कुछ पैसा बाकी है या कुछ लेना बाकी है, कुछ देना बाकी है, ये सब कभी रिकॉर्ड नहीं करता है. वही रिकॉर्ड करता है जो पैसा आ रहा है या पैसा जा रहा है, बस उसको ही रिकॉर्ड करेगा रिसीट एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट और कुछ नहीं रिकॉर्ड करेगा. The next question is if expense are more than the match fund. Always remember that expense is more than match fund. If match fund is more, that it means shown in the liability side of the balance sheet. Or if match expense is shown more, but this is shown in the income expenditure account of debit side. बिल्कुल, तो ये हमारा debit side जाएगा income expenditure account के. So thank you student. We completed total in the previous video. We completed 22 question in the both video. In this video we discussed about almost 10 to 11 question. There are 31 question which is very important, so must learn and write this question with the exam point of view. So सभी को लिखें अच्छे से, बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव, और जो थ्योरी है उससे भी अच्छे से देखें और कंप्लीट करें. जब तक आप थ्योरी नहीं देखते हैं तब तक आप ऑब्जेक्टिव को समझ नहीं पाएंगे. आपको थ्योरी के साथ ऑब्जेक्टिव को भी समझना है. सो मस्ट लर्न एंड राइट. थैंक यू.